morning already? What a beautiful day! Mommy, is that you?
Yes, my little one, good morning.
I missed you.
I missed you too. Come here.
Hello, are you my father?
Yes, little one, I am.
Wow, you're so big and strong.
And you are so small and brave.
I'm happy. I love being with you.
We love you too, little one.
This is the best. You make us so happy. I feel so safe.
Always, little chick.
Are we almost home?
Yes, my chick, just a little further.
I see the coop. Yay, home sweet home.
Here we are.